Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So this is my Get Ready With Me ChitChat video. I know a lot of people have goals for what they want to reach for the new year, for their YouTube channel, or for the new year they want to start a YouTube channel. So I'm just going to give you all some friendly reminders and tips for starting a YouTube channel. So make sure you all keep watching and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So really, the first thing I want to say is if you're starting a YouTube channel is to just do it, because nothing is ever going to be perfect for you. So my mirror is right here, so I'm doing my makeup in it. But whether the camera isn't right, the lighting isn't right, nothing is ever going to be perfect for you. Like nothing ever. So I say just try. Just do something. Start it, because when you start it, it's really easy to keep going once you start. But as a small, I forgot my primer. But what I really wanted to say is, like, for small YouTubers, since so many people are starting a YouTube, like almost everyone has a friend that has started a YouTube or knows someone who has started one. Like, don't compare yourself to other people, because everyone goes at their own speed and stuff. Like, even I know I make the mistake of checking people's subscribers. Like, I wonder how many subscribers they have. Like, I do that, but don't really dwell on it. Let's say you're getting 20 views. 20 views is like something, you know? Like, don't think of it as a view. I think we really don't realize that those views are people. You know, sure someone could watch your video 20 times, but that's very unlikely. Maybe they watched it 2 or 3 times. But either way, like, I'm in school, so I think of being in school, we have presentations we do and stuff. So I've seen people like have their hands shake and everything. They'll be so nervous presenting to 20 people. So you've just spoke for maybe 10 minutes to 20 people. Don't think of views as just like one thing. It's a view. Like, to me, that's like a really big deal. Especially if you're posting. You're supposed to post more than once a week if you're a small YouTuber. Maybe daily or even 3 times a week. Someone is listening to you talk for 10 minutes every 3 days. Like, that's a really big deal. So don't think of it like only 20 people watched it. 20 people is a lot. I know people that will literally freak out talking to 20 people. I think it's really important if you're starting a YouTube or if you're a small YouTuber, is you need to study it. Study YouTube itself. Study the algorithm. Study what other people do. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. You can learn from their mistakes, or you can kind of, I guess, copy with your own twist or whatever, what you want to do. But just remember that, like, you should stay original or whatever. You should really be proud of yourself that you just put something out in the world that wasn't there maybe 10 or 20 minutes ago. That's like really cool when you think about it. Regardless of what kind of videos you make, that's like really cool. I don't get like that many views all the time, but I can look at my analytics and see that people in Morocco, Italy, France have watched my videos, or even like Bulgaria. I had to look it up. Like, I've heard of it before, but I literally just didn't know where it was. I didn't know anything about it. Like, people all over the world are watching your videos, even if it's maybe 100 people or something. Like, can you imagine talking to 100 people? Like, some of us would literally be scared out of our minds talking to maybe 300 people. So back to starting your YouTube. So I'm baking right now, so I'm just chilling. But like I said earlier, nothing is ever going to be perfect for you. Even like, I wish I would have started my YouTube when like I recorded a whole video like at least 2 years ago. A makeup tutorial when Fenty Beauty first came out, if you know the brand. And I bought like almost every product from the line, and I bought it the day it came out. And I know that if I would have posted that video, I would have been able to monetize my videos before YouTube changed the monetize like the things you need in order to monetize. So I really missed out there, all because I wasn't confident in what I was putting out there. It was a great video for a beginner. It was something. In order to monetize your videos, there's so much you need to do. And honestly, that's one of my goals, to be able to monetize this year, hopefully. But I know that's probably a lot of small YouTubers' goal. Everyone wants to like one day wake up and it's like, oh my goodness, I got 5,000 subscribers overnight. Like, we want that, sure. But even if it's, what, 2, that's like a really big deal. 2 people liked you enough to want to watch your videos on a daily basis, to make that video appear on their homepage every time they log into YouTube. Like, I don't know about you, but that is a big deal to me. Like, stop looking at views, stop looking at subscribers as like virtual things that aren't real. These are real people with real lives, you know? And for them to want to hear you speak, or do a skit, do a challenge, whatever you do, for them to play a game, for them to want to see you do that, that is a big deal. Like, really. Things may not start off the way you wanted to start off all the time. But watching your channel grow, like before I started my channel, like I feel like I had just nothing of my own. You know, like I do schoolwork. I'll be proud of when I make like a good grade or something, you know? But like having something that you're building yourself is just a beautiful thing, you know? It really is. And trust the process, you know, realize that it is a process, what you're doing, and that eventually you will be where you want to be. But trust the process. TTP, you guys, TTP. Just know what you're doing is important. You're putting something out there that wasn't out there 10 minutes ago. It came from up here, or maybe like it came from up there regardless. It came from up there. Oh my goodness, I'm a mess. You all can't even see, but I'm a mess. I have powder everywhere. But those 20 views mean something. That 1 view means something. Those 12 views mean something. And don't sell yourself short. Don't be stagnant, but be happy with what you have and what you did yourself. Because that's really cool at the end of the day. Okay guys, so that's really it for my get ready with me video and advice. I just feel like people really need to hear it, whether you're starting a YouTube, not to be disappointed, or if you started a YouTube already and maybe you didn't reach your goal, or you're just not happy with where you are. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. Thank you for watching.